Each bar gets plugged in. Here's the main plug, which is going to run all the way across through the driver and then out the other side to the plug that'll go into the wall. You have these orange clips with, it looks like there are screws in there to fasten them on, but it looks like you just, they're just finger screws. You can tighten them with your fingers. So you don't even need any equipment to put this together, it doesn't look like. Maybe. Oh, you know what? I think the clips are for the light. I think these white, little white screws, I think those are for the driver, which in that case, yeah, super easy. So I don't quote me on this. I'll take a look here and we'll see. I don't think you need any equipment though. Which, how cool is that? Maybe, I don't know if that's typical for light or for these bar lights. This is my first light that is this style. Oh, I was gonna tell you guys about a resource because as I'm sitting here trying to think of the right language for this style of light, I keep calling it a bar light or bar style light, which I know is something along those lines. I bet it says right here in the manual. But yeah, so Spider Farmer User Manual G Series Cost-Effective Performance. This is part of their, more of their cost-effective line. The resource I wanted to share with you is another YouTube channel. And you might know of it, but it's a channel dedicated all to more or less cannabis lights. But I think, I think they say indoor gardening lights. And it's just this guy that I think he gets sent lights. He tries them out on a big table that has one of the par graphs on it. He can measure the light output right there, and he does it right on the video, and it's very technical. So he has one of the G4500. I'll actually link it so you guys can watch that. But the YouTube channel is called Migro. It's a pretty popular channel. He's got like 100,000 followers, but be sure to check it out because he goes into more detail about this light. And he gives it a very positive review as well, and he gets very technical. The one takeaway that I can share that he had about this light was that it was very cost effective and a very high quality light for the price, and especially for a 2x4 tent. He said it's a very high quality, very high output light for a 2x4 tent. So let's see if there's anything else that I'm missing. This is, oh God, if I didn't even say some of the basics. Full spectrum LED light. Oh shit, no, that's not right. I'm reading the wrong one. Okay, so one thing to note. This is a little confusing, Spider Farmer, just so you know. Normally wouldn't be a big deal, but if you're, for me, I'm just sharing this out, so it confused me. But in their manual, when you first open it up, that's not your light. That's a G3000, G4500's there, G5000. Whoops, sorry guys if you can't see that. But they go through all of their lights. So here's the G4500. Take a closer look here. So I'm not sure what this kind of, I think it's a PPFD chart. The guy on Migro, he has one of these on his table and he puts a light over top of it, shines it. You can actually see it live. I'm pretty sure that's what's happening anyways. But check out his channel because it's definitely very technical and he knows the ins and outs of the lights like I don't. I know how to use the light to make my plants grow and not burn my lights, not kill my lights, but I don't know all of the technical details. Yeah, they're full spectrum LED lights. I like them a lot. Next video, I'm going to be putting this together and then hanging it up in my tent. So you guys will actually get to see me hang this up in my tent. So big shout out again to Spider Farmer. Thank you for sending me this light. I'm excited to try this out in my seed to harvest series growing autoflowers. And by the way, I'm doing this because a lot of you have really been going crazy over my autoflower videos. and just really want to know my tips and techniques for growing really big autoflowers. So I'm going to do a series on that. That's why I'm growing another round of autoflowers. I'm going to be doing it under the Spider Farmer G4500 Light, along with the Spider Farmer SF4000. And it's going to be awesome, you guys. I'm really excited about it. So be sure to check out those other videos so you can see what strains that I'm growing. Be sure to subscribe so you can follow along to my future videos where you'll get to see my grow. You'll get to see this light in action and make a choice about whether or not you want to buy this for yourself. Again, big shout out to Spider Farmer. Thank you for sending me this light. They also sent me a humidifier that I'm going to be trying out. So subscribe to my channel so you can see that video as well if you're interested in the Spider Farmer humidifier. Looks pretty awesome. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you. I appreciate that you take time to follow my channel and to listen to my rambling on these product reviews. But I hope it is helpful. I hope if you are looking to buy a light for your 2x4 tent, this was informative and will help you make a decision on whether or not this is the right light for you to buy. Thank you guys so much.